Friends, in the jungle, we get to see many such dangerous hunters. We have the power to kill their prey in a single moment. But among these hunters, there is one such hunter who does not think even once before attacking any animals. Actually, we are talking about hyena. Whenever the name of hyena comes up, the rest of the hunters in the forest start feeling light because the strong claws, sharp teeth and ferocious intentions of the hyena are enough to put any animals to death. It is so dangerous that even big wild animals think many times before confronting it. In such a situation, today we are going to make you aware of the dangerous attack of hyena. So without further delay, let us see the dangerous attack of hyena. Hyena versus lion. Well, any wild animal usually thinks 1,000 times before facing a lion. The hyena is an animal that does not shy away from messing with even a lion. If you don't believe it, just watch this video. Here the king of the jungle, the lion, is sitting near his prey and is busy eating its meat. But it seems his luck is bad today because some hyena are also present at this place who are trying to harass him. But on the other hand, the lion also tries to chase away the group of hyenas by roaring. Meanwhile, the hyena is trying to somehow grab the lion prey or success in attacking the lion. This heated argument between these two hunters continues like this. But unfortunately, this fight does not yield any result and both of them continues in their effort. Hyena attacks zebra. You all know that the hyena is a dangerous animal of the jungle, but you might not know how big a beast it is. Because this monster that hunts big animals does not even spare their babies at times. For example, in this place a hyena has preyed on a zebra's baby, but the baby's mother is also present there and she is chasing away another hyena. But even she does not have the courage to go near the hyena that is attacking her children. Now after sometimes that zebra also goes away from there and now both the hyena together attack the child. Hyena attack Topi. The dominance of the hyena among the animals of the forest is such that as soon as they see it, they start running away to save their lives. Though sometimes they manage to escape, some of the males end up getting caught in the hyena clutches. For example, just look at this hyena who is trying to prey on a topi. There is a huge herd of topi present nearby, and he is also watching his companions clapping with this devil, but none of them has the courage confront the hyena. Here the hyena is trying to make Topi its prey by any means, while Topi is also kicking to save its life. But by then another pack of hyenas come to him, and with the increase in the number of hyenas, the chances of Topi survive also reduce, and now they throw Topi down as well. As soon as the Topi falls, the hyenas pounces on him, eat the flesh from his and tries body.